Them thing you happen in a real life. In a real life.
Hi, Sharon.
Boom.
Hi.
Don't do that. Don't do me that again. Alright, one more time. Alright, we're back. And we're back. So if you saw the first half and you're tuning back in, I have Zeal to my right. And what he's been telling us about. Zeal again is a Haitian American reggae artist. And doing reggae, compa, a little bit of R&B, a lot of different flavors. And really just bringing the culture away. So we're going to touch... Yeah, the live feed got interrupted. We're going to touch base with him one more time and allow him to actually jump up and give you guys a performance here. So tell us a little bit about what you're going to be performing and what the people can expect from your music outside of just this performance, but as a whole, as Zeal the brand and Zeal the artist.
You know, nowadays, we as artists, we want to give people everything that we got in our hard drive. But I learned that. I learned that to keep repeating the same thing because there's a reason behind it. It wouldn't be a strategy to use if it was in a good cause. So, you know, so I'm going to do the same couple songs that I did on stage just for those of you who wasn't there, you know.
All right.
Are we back? Are we back?
Boy, I tell you this thing. I might have to ask you to hold it up for me. I don't know. Can you go a third on real quick?
You can cut mine off.
No, don't do that. No, it says we're still live. All right.
So since we are still live, yes, what I'm going to do is give you guys a little preview, not preview, but a review on what took place. Best of the best.
So yeah, we're going to get right back into Zeal's live performance from Best of the Best. Just some tracks. You want to tell us what these tracks are real quick before you get into them?
I believe the first one on there is Keep the Faith. And of course, just by the title itself, you can tell what it's telling you. Speak to your mind, keep the faith. No matter what you're doing, and no matter if you're winning or you're losing or you're falling, just keep the faith. Keeping the faith, it doesn't have a favorite box to put itself in. It's simply for whatever that you believe in, just put the faith in it and you will see. So that's what this song is talking about. So me as a Haitian, but not just to my people only, but all of us as a nation, let's keep the faith and we will see the difference.
All right, sir. I'm going to go ahead and let you step around. Pass you the mic. See?
Yes. Big up Facebook Live again.
Yo.
Big up, you know.
Dancehall Jams.
Dancehall Jams. I had to do that one there before I start. Get ready. You ready?
We're ready.
Let's go, sir.
Zeal Dubreus, baby.
Yeah. Fine Works Production. Yeah. Let's keep the faith. Hold on. Things will get better. Keep the faith. Hold on. We got to be stronger. It might be stormy now. No air will rain forever. Keep the faith. Hold on. Things will get better. Different outfit, but always with the same jacket. Was only given to you once, it's for your faith benefit. Believe, that's all I come to show you. Nothing else but faith, the truth I come to teach you. Positive is the best way to calm down your nerve. Cool your mind, pray and just chill. And negative is nothing but being selfish. Give to receive, your faith will show you more fish. Digging, but what I bless you with, don't give it back. Coding is best, I wait until he holler back. That way, my blessing will be more useful. And I won't use it just to be somebody else. Hey bro, I've been there, and I've done that. Negative was cool, but positive wasn't down with that. So I react to the best side of me. Because of faith, this was brand new to me. Hold on, hey, things will get better. Keep the faith, hold on. We got to be stronger. It might be stormy now. No air will rain forever. Keep the faith, hold on. get better. Flow like a butterfly, sting like a bee. No other fella can say it like me. I'm someone special from way across the sea. First global independent Haiti. 1804, you done heard this before. Lean for lifers, don't ever let go. ROOTS, your roots is your soul. Get a nice grip and together let's pull. Let's do it. Oh man, the ladies' reaction for that one was beautiful. I listened to this up.
Yes, I am. Zeal one more time right here.
Yeah, when your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't shake you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile for your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard as 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious way. Baby, just the touch of your hand. Will I fall in love with you every single day? I just wanna show you I am. So honey, now your head on my beating heart. Oh, I'm thinking out loud. Baby, we found love right where we are.
Ba, 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 ba.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, you.
This is the last tune. I'm gonna cut it short just to get back with the men here. Baby, I know that love is supposed to get, especially if there's a marriage, it's only right to take it serious. Yeah, girl, I know if a woman took the time to get dressed and it's a party she heading out to, that only means she about to dance all night long. Just like when we come out to play, it ain't for free. So what up, man? Just like everyone's in here in the VIP. Just like a married woman shouldn't be here alone. Just like if we gonna dance, we gotta dance all night long. Chérie, on connaît que l'amour va te mélanger. Si tout après des mots fi marier, c'est faire normal pour yo prendre au sérieux. Oh yeah. Chérie, on connaît d'ailleurs on va pour la vie. C'est mon balai pour l'aller, ça me dit balai pour danser bloqué. Oh yeah, on va jamais jouer pour converser, non. Même genre, chacun country au monde VIP. Même genre, on va qui marié, pas de la balle pour bol, non. C'est même genre, si on dit danser parce que moi on est le bol. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was the moment I had on Best of the Best. And right now I am live with one of the only Dancehall Jams.
Yo, that was Zeal live right here. Dancehall Jams live on Jamaicans.com. Zeal, man, thank you so much for that.
Appreciate you. Thank
Like
you.
I said, when I saw the energy that you gave that crowd at Best of the Best, I was like, brother, I gotta get you on here somehow, some way. No lie, came up with this idea this morning, just slapped everything together because this brother right here really has a gift that I wanted to share with you guys. So thank you for being here on DancehallJams.com, on Jamaicans.com live. Quickly, let the people know where they can find your music, where they can find you on social media, and how they can follow you and learn what's going on with Zeal.
As far as music, we got a lot coming soon on that, and I don't want to spoil the moment and send you all over YouTube or SoundCloud. I'd rather you keep up with me right now on, let's say, Instagram and Facebook. Instagram is Zeal page, Z-E-A-L page. And then Facebook is Zeal Dubreus, which is Z-E-A-L Dubreus is D-U-B-R-E-U-S. Once you put Zeal Dub as in dubstep or dub.
Or dub plate.
Dub plate.
Make sure you give me my dub plates.
Yes. So Zeal Dub, you know what? That should be the next name, aka with the name.
There you go.
Zeal Dub.
Zeal Dub.
Yes, and the album is coming soon, people. I know I'm saying album so soon, but it's not a lie. I'm not making this up just to make myself look big. We are work on the process of putting the album out, so please stay tuned with us and stay tuned with Dancehall Jams, and you will get all the updates, people. I promise you.
You see it right there. Officially, Zeal has been in the building with us. Dancehall Jams live on Jamaicans.com. Live in the building. Once again, Zeal, make sure you look out for the album. Make sure you look for him on social media. Follow him. Great artist, great talent. We're getting out of here. We're gone.
Tonight, still, this is Daniel Brother Dancehall Godfather from Jamaica. Lots of things I'm going to write out that man people can reach out computer. But around now, I'm told that you order some dancehallJam.com. Feel I don't know, it must come. It's out the Dancehall Godfather. Say so. Can't find